Hello everyone. Today I will discuss the method of Organon of Medicine, which has been used for the preparation of the first Hahnemannian Repertory, KEYNOTES Modern and Classic Repertory. This is Dr. Hahnemann's inductive method. The holistic approach means totality is going from particular to general, which has been mentioned in aphorism 153 in the starting of the treatment of the acute and chronic diseases as the more striking, singular, uncommon, and peculiar characteristic signs and symptoms of the case of disease, and concluded in the end of the treatment of diseases and miasm in aphorism 209 as the most striking and peculiar characteristic symptoms, which is following the process of individualization as mentioned in aphorism 82 in acute diseases and chronic diseases. In both type of diseases, if you understand Dr. Hahnemann's inductive method, whatever approach you will take for constitutional or therapeutic treatment, either you go through the mind symptoms or rubrics, sensation, miasm, body build or pathology, etc. Whatever way you will use or take, you are just covering just one part of this method, or you are just covering the one branch of this complete tree. Then we will get fewer results due to not covering other ways of this method. First of all, we have to understand and adopt all these way of his method for a successful homeopathic treatment. All these are just a branch of a complete tree of a complete method. And this is the beauty of Dr. Hahnemann's inductive method, that there is no hard and fast rule for following only one way, like other method, for example of mind symptoms only or miasm only, etc. In this method, you will get characteristic sign or symptoms or keynotes in any part of the case taking, either in present complaint or past history or family history or physical journal or mental journal. From any part of the case taking, you will get it, and this is no compulsive way. You have to follow only one part. If we have the right knowledge of the fundamental of the methodology guided in the Organon of Medicine, then we will understand that case is for giving us the clue that in which way the case will follow. So we have just to open our sound senses with the help of three skills guided in aphorism 71 in Organon of Medicine. First skill is knowledge of disease, means disease diagnosis. Second is knowledge of medicine. And third is the knowledge of instrument adopted, means the method you are applying according to Dr. Hahnemann. And one characteristic sign and symptoms can also determine the totality of the case for treatment and or disease diagnosis, because there is no difference in homeopathic approach and allopathic approach. In both medical field, we are following this method of characteristic, just our way is different. How? We are following characteristic sign or symptoms for the selection of the remedy, and they are following in allopathy for the disease diagnosis. The tool is one, but the our way is different. We are reading and following also the allied subjects, but we are neglecting it. If we follow this method characteristic for both way, then we will get result in better way in comparison to them as we are getting. Thank you.